I'm Jonathan Cahill. I'm a manufacturing technician for Intel in Leixlip. The job involves basically maintaining a tool set. So there's numerous tool sets throughout the factory, and I'm in charge of maintaining the tools within my area. So on a daily basis, I'm in charge of carrying out tool maintenance, which is just the day-to-day maintenance carried out to ensure the tool set stays healthy and reliable. I'm in charge of troubleshooting any unforeseen issues that happen on the tool set. So I work in a smaller area within Intel, so we're kind of like our own separate entity in Intel, in Fab 24. So in my little area H, there's 5 on my team, and we have to obviously convey what happened to the other shifts, shifts B. We have to convey to the engineers what happened. I find it very interesting, and it's a challenging environment to work in. Nowadays the same, and also there's a very good work-life balance in Intel. So although you do work shift, and a lot of the time I could be working nights or anything like that, I do have plenty of time off to do my hobbies and what I enjoy outside of work. I went to college in Tala and I studied mechanical engineering, and I always was quite mechanically minded, I feel. I like working with my hands and stuff like that. I had a few friends who actually worked in Intel, and there were speakers who would come to Tal IT and they talked to you about the job, and I just sort of, it really sounded like a place I'd fit in. For me, I think communication is a real strong skill to have if you're going to work in there. If you're doing any projects in college or you're doing any presentations, work on that. Make sure you're comfortable explaining yourself to people, because when you're working here and there might be a situation, it's very important that you can explain in a concise manner what the situation is and what the plan is and how you're going to tackle it.